Is your Bosch refrigerator ice maker failing to produce cubes? Let's walk through the replacement process step by step. Most ice maker issues are solved by a simple module swap rather than expensive control board repairs. Before you begin, safety is the absolute priority for every repair. Always unplug your refrigerator and shut off the water supply before touching any internal components. Have a standard screwdriver, a nut driver, and a towel ready to catch any residual water. Carefully remove the front cover and mounting bolts before disconnecting the main wire harness. When installing the new unit, ensure the wire harness pins are perfectly aligned to avoid electrical shorts. Most failures are mechanical, usually involving the ejector motor or the water inlet valve. Once reassembled, wait 24 hours for the system to cycle and produce your first batch of ice. If it still won't cycle, double-check your water pressure and ensure the water filter is not clogged. Remember that patience is a tool. Let the ice maker run its full cycle before assuming the replacement failed. You've successfully replaced your Bosch ice maker. Subscribe for more appliance repair guides.